Importance of bees. Scientists have made an investigation about the importance of bees in the world. Bees have recently been dying because of different causes like pollution, and the climate change. Bees are in top of the important species list. Are responsible for pollinating about one-sixth of a flowering plant species worldwide and approximately 400 different agricultural types of plants. Bees pollinate 70 of 100 crops, and they are responsible for 30 billion a year in crops. What will happen if bees went extinct? We may lose all the plants that bees pollinate, all of the animals that eat those plants and show up in the food chain. A world without bees could struggle to sustain the global human population of 7 billion people. Many plants will disappear, the food prices will break down. The loss of bumblebees could have severe consequences for ecosystems and for agriculture. The ocean. Marine pollution occurs when harmful or potentially harmful effects result from the entry into the ocean of chemicals, particles, industrial, agricultural, and residential waste, noise, or the spread of invasive organisms. 80% of marine pollution comes from land.
Biotechnology. In concept, biotechnology is technology based on biology. Biology is the study of the living things. This technology has the capacity of feed the world, heal the world, and fuel the world. It may reduce rates of infectious disease, decrease water usage, and even biotechnology might improve food and crop oil content to help improve cardiovascular health. Also, it will help in reducing contamination.
Settle down with me, cover me up, cuddle me.
This is also a solution to the deforestation because scientists are creating plants using cells.
Hold me.
How nature is changing. Seasons are changing, temperature is increasing. Some of the most dangerous changes in the weather and ecosystems are stronger storms and increased storm damage, rising seas, wildlife at risk, etc. The ecosystems are being damaged and it's all our fault. In the future, many species will disappear. On average, the temperature on the Earth's surface has increased by 0.6 Celsius over the last 2 centuries. Most of the warming observed in the past 50 years is attributed to human activities and particularly to the burning of fossil fuels.
Settle down with me, and I'll be your safety. You'll be my lady. I was made to keep your body warm, but I'm cold as the wind blows. So hold me in your arms. Oh no, my heart's against your chest. Your lips pressed to my neck. I'm falling for your eyes, but they don't know me yet. And with this feeling I'll forget I'm in love now. Kiss me like you wanna be loved. You wanna be loved. You wanna be loved.
increase in temperature is also affecting the Arctic. The solution to this problem is reducing footprint using new technologies such as electric cars or other sources of energy like solar energy and reducing the contamination and pollution.